A man woke up and saw this near his window. Late at night, a man named Charlie from Jalisco, Mexico, woke up to strange noises coming from the front of his house. This is what he filmed. In this video, you can hear a gallop approaching the house. Charlie thinks that what he filmed that night was the Del Charro Negro demonstration, a spooky cavalier entity from Mexican mythology that's on the prowl for an unsuspecting victim to offer a malicious bargain. A Mexican managed to film it for the first time, but unfortunately, he has since disappeared.
Mira, mira, mira. No, que se ve allá, güey, no mames. No mames, güey.